Z-Axis is known for electronic design and manufacturing, but we also offer a menu of additional services. We take an a la carte approach so that customers can order exactly what they need by combining different offerings. The thing these services all have in common is that they add value to the boards we build for you. For example, some customers ask us for design for manufacturing assistance. DFM, as it's called, adds value when you're designing the layout for a new board and need expert guidance. Showing our customers how to avoid common PCB mistakes promotes manufacturability and helps them to control costs. For existing boards, part obsolescence is a common challenge. Even if you're working with another electronics manufacturer, Z-Axis can help you to find new parts to replace ones that are no longer available. Existing boards may also require changes if an offshore manufacturer substitutes a part and asks customers to rework the boards that are in a warehouse or somewhere else in a supply chain. Z-Axis can remove the old part and solder a new one, even for surface mount packages like BGAs. Z-Axis can also apply epoxy encapsulants and UV-cured conformal coatings with our in-house robot. Sometimes customers ask us to solve a problem with electromagnetic interference, or EMI. That's when we use our EMI testing equipment for conducted and radiated emissions. We perform this testing for our own electronic designs, so why not yours as well? Coil winding, a service we offer for inductors or transformers, is available even if you have incomplete drawings or need low volumes. Finally, there's failure analysis. Defective boards can be difficult to troubleshoot, but our experienced engineers have lots of tools and can work at a bench to find out what happened to a failed circuit board. Z-Axis provides electronic design and manufacturing all under one roof, a rare combination. The additional services we offer deliver even greater value, and they're available whether you need one occasionally or many services on a regular basis.